sir. Good morning. Except like the milk. Koltun, are you in our meeting right now? Morning.
I love this idea that it's delayed to Q5. If you think this recession's coming, but I know in your notes you're kind of citing the fact that this is going to be an
Hi, South Texas. How are you doing?
persistent inflation, and yet you think that central banks are going to rapidly cut rates when we get that recession. And I'm working out how to spread that. Why would central banks panic about the recession when their mandate is about inflation, not about headline growth? Yes, it is the labour market. Why would they suddenly panic about growth when they will have sticky inflation to contend with?
It's because of the level of indebtedness in the system globally. I think the central banks will be willing to avoid a new deflationary phase. It happens at a time when you realize that nobody wants pain. No government has been elected to inflict pain. No central bank governor has been nominated to inflict too much pain. It's clearly the sociological state of things now. And so that's why I think they want to engineer this recession. They want it to be slight, that to be there and have an effect on prices. But they don't want to take the risk of destroying the system. I think if you look at the 1970s, it's exactly the same thing. You had 4 successive hikes in inflation. And each time you saw the first sign of a slowdown coming, you saw central banks becoming more dovish very early. Typically so Volcker at the end of the inflation effect. I think it will be the same story now. Each time you will see the real start of a recession, they will stop hiking, and on the contrary, they will put more liquidity in the system. I think that's the story of the coming 10 years. And we see that,
Yeah, so essentially they will blink in the face of softer data. But what is the asset rotation as you weigh up that recession risk at Q5, as you say? Is it too early to start thinking about rotation?
I think if you believe that we have a classic recession the way we have over the past 30 years, you would be very much willing to be loaded on the defensive sectors. But when you look at how the market evolves, you see that some cyclical sectors do well, that the defensive sectors do not necessarily well. I think there is some kind of an underlying of inflation anticipation, which might lead, for example, to a much stronger oil sector or this kind of bizarre behavior. So that's what I mean. We should be very much aware of this underlying inflationary pressures and not play this short-term cycle the way we used to do over the previous decades.
Frederick, I still am slightly struggling with this idea that you're saying we should look to the 70s as kind of the roadmap and the model here, and that makes a lot of sense intuitively. But yet you seem to imply that central bankers will refuse to look at the 70s, or they have no ability to learn from the 70s. They're just not as smart as the rest of us. Because the lesson from the 70s from central bankers was Arthur Burns made a massive mistake by erring too dovish, and Volcker ultimately saved the day by being aggressive. So we're expecting market participants to use the 70s as a model, but central bankers to ignore the 70s?
I think they don't believe we are in the 70s. And if you look only at macroeconomic considerations, it's very difficult to believe that we have 10 or 15 years of inflation ahead of us. For this, you have to look at demographics, you have to look at global trade, you have to look at sociological trends. And I don't think that for the time being, all the central banks are focused on these aspects of things. So if you only look at macro, yes, you believe that after having high rates so many times, the slowdown will come, inflation will come down, and then you will start a new period of growth with low inflation. I think that's not the case because we have many things that show to us that productivity will be not higher than expected.
Come on, birds.
Less stable, that investment will be more difficult to achieve. So many underlying stuff that explains why, as soon as you have interest rates coming back down, inflation will show again inside the head.
Okay, so inflation rears its head once again then, if interest rates come down. Frederick, where does the oil market go in this context? If you think that recession is postponed to what you amusingly call Q5, what does that do to oil markets?
Yes, I think the oil market has already done the job. If you look at the prices,
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Morning.
it's a division by two, which in
Hello?
itself is
Hello, hello.
for technical analysis. And it looks very well supported on several technical aspects also.
Hello, hello.
When you refer to the previous recessions, in fact, the gold prices comes down in anticipation of the slowdown, and almost as soon as the recession has started, the price of oil is going up. So I think the rebound is not far from us. And if you look at the fundamental situation, much less investment today in oil development compared to, let's say, 10 years ago, 50% below the level 10 years ago. And so if we have a abundance of growth in the coming year, there will be a lot of oil.
Hello, South Texas. Can you hear me now?
Hi, I've been trying to, I guess on the,
Excuse me?
I'm sorry, on the computer, it doesn't want to work. I wanted to see it on the computer because it's bigger, but it doesn't want to, I can't hear you.
If you will go to the settings of the sound and choose whatever you're choosing to use it. Because
Mm.
sometimes by default, Discord is on a PC choosing something else.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
Hmm.
I've got it quite often.
So there is speaker output, driver audio display. I don't know.
One
Are you
sec.
talking about the app, the disc on Discord?
Yeah, on a PC you've got Discord open, and this is where you're looking for what you want to use as the
Okay,
to
let me try
listen to
again
talk.
because it's gonna take me off of this one. Let me try again.
Okay.
No, I can't get it, so I'm just gonna not worry
Once.
about it.
Okay, but I will try to show you. 1 second. If I will
No,
hide
you're fine. Are
the.
you doing anything right now?
I can hear. Yes, I'm in short. But I will show. I will try to show you because that could be. Can you see the Discord now?
Mm-hmm.
So you go in here, and then you input device and output device. You're choosing what you want to use as a speaker and as a
Okay.
microphone. Same thing, you can go to the settings here,
Mm-hmm.
and in the settings, you can do that.
Yeah, I tried that. Let me try it again. Hold on.
Okay.
You hear me?
Yes, I can hear you now.
Okay, cool.
So,
Weird. I don't know what I just did reset. from the audio.
Okay, that's great. Yeah, I am in short, and first TP I've got at 130.
I think this is an equity market that is really starting to recover. Central bankers yesterday were moving on to focus on inflation, and maybe that's what moves things in the session. We did have that print out of Germany, the regional print was came higher, and you're seeing a sell-off in German bonds on the back of this. But in terms of the futures, maybe lower, just by about a tenth of a percent over in Germany on the DAX futures. The FTSE
That's
100,
the one.
and
Then
pointing down by a little over a tenth of a percent. So a slightly bleaker picture for the FTSE 100. Don't forget that Europe overall on the benchmark yesterday closed modestly higher, and again overinfluenced the CAC line. Currently futures pointing flat, but for me, and I know this is the case for Mark as well, it's about the inflation prints, and of course at 8 we have the numbers out of Spain.
Yeah, absolutely. The inflation picture out of Spain crucial. The lowest in the eurozone, so certainly that's going to get a lot of attention. Will it come down below 2%? That would be interesting to watch.
let's see how this will go. Actually, looking for a quite big short. Whoever I will try to enter earlier, later if take my stop loss again. The reason why after the swing yesterday, where we had a swing low, swing high, it just touched my invalidation area for short from swing high to swing low on Wednesday. Yeah, actually yesterday, sorry. The top of yesterday and bottom of the retracement where we stop, it come back to the invalidation line, and from that time it's going short. So if DC saw that and he shorted top of the Frankfurt, I will stay holder in this trade. It's like I looking for 124 points from my entry.
When did you get into short?
A bit too late. I open it at 43.
Oh, okay.
So the test of the viewer was very nice entry as well at 63. And actually the best was the retest of the Sydney, which was 81.
Right.
We've got the green line, which is printing from yesterday. It's a
And that's
stop.
printing because of what? It's saying it's supposed to be a long?
It's supposed to be long. It's a stop loss for the longs, but we're getting closer to it,
Oh.
and for us to go higher, I think we should come back here, grab the liquidity from
Mm-hmm.
there, and then we can look for the move higher.
Oh, okay.
Ooh, I missed my entry for
If we
London
can just
oil.
break the WMA, that'd be great.
Excuse me?
If we could break the 15 WMA.
Yeah, that will be great. That will be great indeed. And overall for the long, my ATP is at 290. So
You're in a long too?
no, the 290 is for the long after the some kind of the retracement from that move will happen. And the retracement, I mean, we can
Oh,
even
okay.
go take off everything.
Mm-hmm.
I'm just checking the swings on a fib line, and some of them there are like smaller. This is like a very big swing on a few days.
I know. Bet I missed some. and I lost money.
Uh,
But what's new, right?
yeah, that will happen to us always. We'll be missing trades. There is a bit of the at 132. I got another support start printed. The trailing stop for the bulls. So as I mentioned, maybe we'll go higher. Uh, Top of the Frankfurt, top of the Sydney. So if you will
So
take my
when are you deciding to flip your position to a long?
for me till we cannot pass the top of the Sydney, I got a short bias. I can when you take my stop loss and I will see that when I go higher, I will take some bigger contracts and take a scalps to go long, but only up to that level. And definitely till we cannot break the top of the Sydney, my bias is short.
Hmm. What do you think London's gonna do?
For now, look like that. Yes, they will try to grab the top first, or at least go back to the shit. My stop loss. It's at really shit position. And the question is, exit now, lose just a little bit, or make it slightly bigger. Ideally, I should be. Okay, 17. That's not so bad.
Hmm.
This is the ideally area where they shouldn't pass.
They should not pass.
They shouldn't pass the view up for the short to work now.
Oh my, that is 159.
I know, and
That's so high.
I got the same pain.
That's my alarm to wake up.
And you're already awake.
Hmm.
I miss my entry for the long on oil, so I need to wait for the price to go lower.
And also, importantly, the data sets, companies with rich and vast data sets that they can use and create hypotheses around and monetize as well. But on that question of data, yes, this is a really controversial debate. Those models with scrape data versus most models that have their own data sets. Yes. The cleanliness of data, that is all part of the debate. Absolutely, who owns that and what you have to do with it in the AM result. Right, European leaders are set to meet in Brussels today in a very volatile week for geopolitics after the Barn agrees aborted march on Moscow. Joining us now is Vivek. We're here today and we in Brussels covering the summit for us. So, Maria, good morning. European leaders meeting at what's an incredible geopolitical time. Russia's war in Ukraine still eclipsing all other issues. What will they be discussing?
And that was a nice entry there.
Yes, and once again, we see that it really just permeates across everything here in Europe. I should stress, however, that this meeting was on the agenda already. It is not in response to the events that happened in Russia this week. Yet, nonetheless, today there will be a debrief among European leaders. And we also know that this time around, Mr. Stoltenberg, the head of NATO, will be participating at this working lunch. And Anna, you know that he was supposed to leave NATO in 2022. The war broke out. His mandate was extended. That it will be extended very possibly for another year. That's for the geopolitics. But Anna, there's also a growing debate, and I think this feeds into the conversation since if the European Central Bank will be able, can they still orchestrate this soft landing for the economy? We've seen already some discontent coming from the Italians. Giorgia Meloni saying that hiking rates so fast could be, in fact, worse than inflation, that you could end up crashing the economy. And quote, the remedy could be worse than the actual disease. So a lot including Renault, which is revved up. Looking at that, both sides for the
When you open the short,
It's pretty bad.
15,177.
that's really nice.
Yeah, but I lost money, so I'm barely recouping it right now.
Oh.
You know.
So just 77. It's I will go break even and wait what happened.
Yeah,
It
I'm at break even, but
because
barely recouping the money that I lost right now.
okay,
You know what I mean?
because
So
your
I'm in negative.
rewards will be very big if you will go that way, and just split the contracts on the way down.
Yeah. Well, I'm trying to get 100 points. At 100 points, I'm out.
Okay.
Is my plan. I have a stop like at 15025. Like that area.
Mm-hmm. So if you will see the yellow boxes, this
Like
is the areas.
30 to 25. Yeah.
Okay, so if you can see these yellow marks there, this is the areas where if the short will be working, there will be struggle in this area.
They'll be struggling. Mm. Oh man.
At least this is what I'm expecting for the
What are you
bulls,
expecting?
for the bulls to show up in this area a bit more. Oh, actually, below the value area low, that make a nice sense.
What area? I'm sorry.
Can you see the
The 15
15105
1500. Oh,
uh,
okay.
and then 15093 to 82?
Mm. Okay.
Welcome back to Markets Today. We're over 15 minutes away from cash equities open, and futures have actually turned very modestly higher, just up a tenth of
15 minutes for London.
Germany later in the day. Let's check in now on what you need to know heading into the open. Sophia Hoyle, of course, joins us from our Markets Today blog. Sophia, let's start with a very UK-focused story, but it's an important one around Thames Water and the potential failure of this utility company here in the UK.
I'm fascinated by the story. It's very much a kind of capital structure story. How is a company so dependent on, on debt, and it really kind of highlights how the
Ooh,
sector has really
Thames water is in debt. That's not good.
How will they actually repay the debt? How they kind of finance themselves in the market to pay dividends to the government and to
What's
shareholders.
not good?
Now,
No, I think the Thames Water in UK, the water supplier for London,
let's see how much they can
is in
actually
huge debt.
price. But really kind of focusing on the utility sector as we saw that
Oh,
yesterday in the
that
Prime
was
Minister's questions, for
oil
instance,
really nice
that
interest.
utilities have let services decline. Great time for me to move here, very interesting time. But really, if this company risks being placed into administration, is there going to be contagion in the market? That was the question yesterday. We saw kind of spreads widen for other utilities. Jeffrey's saying that actually most of the recent utilities have a much better capital ratio.
So with all these indicators you have, what does it show? Is it showing a short?
These utilities that were privately
So far, it was showing the short when you enter because yes was red, street candles was red, Nikkei starts selling and was showing short. And 40 minutes after Frankfurt open, we ES just start buying, but still Nikkei is in short. We didn't have any divergence, so price is still bearish. So far, everything looks short for me, but they can go higher,
Hmm.
take the stop loss from the people, and then drop. So my overall
And then
bias will be definitely short. Just missed my long for the oil, and I need to wait now. I wake up a bit too late today.
life won't need to be wrong in my view. I mean, look, Mark, it's a very kind of long-term view on the market right now, and I think that's quite unusual because China is a market that tends to trade short-term trends, and right now, everyone I talk to around
so
the
are you
world
now trading real money or you're still on those
is telling me
programs?
China has a big
Both,
column, China has a long-term
Both.
growth story column, and
both.
that's
The
you know
bigger contracts are
that's
opening on
news. It's really good to see.
Apex and the real money I trading with Micros.
So where could I be wrong? The market could start looking more short term. So in terms of any kind of stimulus support that we could get from the PBOC, they've been kind of reticent in providing stimulus, as you know, it's a very risky
It will
process.
take me
But
a bit
focusing
of the
on
time
growth
to
is a key priority. But
go
Beijing
back
Hmm.
to minis at the my,
room to really
and I
grow
don't know even if I
a
want to.
super growth story
Actually,
going
quite
this
happy
year.
with the
So
Micros for
any
now.
surprises that we could get from
And you don't need to do minis, just do multiple micros
Yeah,
versus
yeah,
mini.
it's better because you can just spread the take profits easier this way. You can take contracts
Mm-hmm.
as a price going your way.
Still, I have to say, speaking to a couple of investors on the ground in China, they've been kind of universally
Minis is good only for the scalps, and that's it.
valuation of Chinese equities is so appealing now. They're just so cheap that towards the second half of this year, there's an opportunity. The other question is Li Qiang, the premier, that pragmatism that he's known for, does that win him round in Zhongnanhai and the halls of power in Beijing, and he gets that more pragmatic approach and the backing for that? And then you follow the policy. The other arm follow the policy, particularly around technology.
Very, very slow.
yeah, exactly. Look, I mean, I do think the
Very,
pessimism around
but
China has a lot to do with people being burnt over the past few years. Their portfolios completely, it's not just a story that was bad for portfolios for global investors last year. And they're saying that we can get better returns and with a lot less risk and a lot more visibility elsewhere. So why bother? There's a lot of that sentiment. And yes, valuations are incredibly low. The problem is the fundamental investment story when it comes to China isn't working anymore. It doesn't matter how low valuations are. It doesn't matter how fast the economy is growing. Let's not forget that 5% GDP is the expectation for this year. That's not bad. Where we're here in the UK, 5% is pretty good. It's pretty decent. But yes, all the kind of the big leadership now is looking to project a much more kind of pro-business, pro-private sector leadership. As you said, far more pragmatic and far kind of more business friendly. Let's see if that kind of translates into private sector confidence.
Sophia, thank you very much. Sophia Holdsworth, Our Markets Today blog. Thank you very much, keeping us on our toes on China and also keeping us informed on the latest UK stories, of course. And if you want to check out that blog, you can go to the front page of the Bloomberg UK website, or you can type TLIV Go for the T-Live blogs on the Bloomberg terminal. Just a quick word on Jerome Powell. He's speaking in Spain. We've been showing you pictures of that. Finished prepared remarks. Now talking a little more on the subject of financial stability. He says we're reluctant to say the crisis is over. He's referring to March and May and the crisis around US banking. Things have settled down quite a bit. Overall, the US bank sector is strong in resilience, and of course, we saw the stress test proving it would appear just that. Now let's get the stocks to watch here in Europe. Joe Easton joins us.
Come on, such a slow open.
Nine minutes.
Yeah, I wanna go grab my coffee. Wait a few more minutes. Go after the London Open.
They are, of course, also looking to IPO their electric vehicle unit. We had news just yesterday that Nissan could be investing in that, continuing that long-term partnership. In terms of the stock, It has actually underperformed over the past few months. It dropped following some results a few months ago. This was due to concerns around their EV pricing, with peers like Tesla cutting their prices. So we could expect to see a bit of a boost from this earnings guidance today, perhaps making up somewhat lost ground against the stocks also index, which is now
Okay, testing 1 minute. 5 minutes is green, and 5, no, yeah,
Everything is green except the 1 minute.
yeah.
Oh,
Oh,
I mean, according to what I'm.
View bit red,
around 10% in the coming year. We brought that up on the screen here. Now,
but
that's
yeah,
pretty optimistic given the next is currently only at around 5%, but they have reiterated their long-term targets as well. They kind of kitchen sink in terms of the guidance. They've thrown in a lot of negative things like poor weather at the start of the year, some raw material costs, a strong dollar, and the winding down of the Russian business. But in terms of the stock, that rocketed at their last earnings reports in the previous quarter. Will we see that continue to rise given the strong report today? We'll have to keep an eye on that stock over in Stockholm. Joe, the last topic again is Ipsen. I know the story here. It's about some FDA Pfizer approval for a drug for rare bone disease. Now, I'm confused about why this is expected to move the stock price so much, even though it's wonderful news. Only about 800 people in the world have this rare bone disease. Is it really going to have that much of an impact on Ipsen revenues? Absolutely not. But I'll tell you the reason. This drug could earn around 150 million euros in terms of the profit, according to analysts. Now, the big difference here is because they are pretty much the only company in the world that's making this new drug, the profit margin is at around 99% in terms of how profitable it is for them. So that's why people are getting so excited about this. I've read Morgan Stanley out today saying that this drug could add around 10 euros per share onto that stock. So that could potentially turn out to be a 10% gain over the long term. So that's why people are getting excited. As you say, less than 1,000 people, only 800 people suffering from this rare bone disease. And people are getting excited given it's such an expensive drug, it's so profitable. That could be a move over in Paris today.
Thank you very much. Thanks to our producer, reporter Joe Easton, with all the details on the stocks that could be on the move. Now, team,
actually I will try to short oil now as well.
would like us to, especially in the context of the Manchester United saga. And I call it a saga because it has been beset with delays. It's gone on and on.
Canal.
Clubs failing to meet expectations of the selling Glazer family. Splits among the owners about whether to sell, and fears of litigation from minority shareholders. Closely people have delayed years. I have to say, though, away from the battle for Manchester United, where the Qatari group, it seems, is increasingly confident in this one, I'm far more interested in all the bids that we're seeing for much smaller clubs. AFC Croydon possibly being snapped up by a player, and the rapper Stormzy. Mark, I don't know where you're interested. Actually, I know you're interested in football, lying North London.
Yeah, I did see that bid by Stormzy. I think it was Brooklyn Taha who are buying that club. I shouldn't say this, but the Man United story has been around so long, I've kind of got bored of it. And I know you're revealing where my interest lies. But I thought the really big bidding story for football overnight was that apparently £105 million offer for Declan Rice has been accepted by West Ham. Football news. Never mind Man United. Are you showing your colours there, Mark? Because I don't know. I don't know if you're probably playing North. I'm hoping.
I said North.
Arsenal, but now you're talking
I said North London. Oh, sorry. This is not that far north.
Not. I'm staying very quiet. I don't want to, get abusive. But anyway, just wear it with pride.
Small scalp short
I love that
on
story,
oil.
because it's a bit like Wrexham. They're looking at Wrexham and
Yeah,
then
exactly.
Ryan Reynolds.
All the celebrity, yeah, exactly. Ryan Reynolds group, all the celebrity money in football these days.
Mark, thanks for spending the past hour with us. Futures pointing modestly higher. And you're still listening is next.
Come on, Q. Can we break the previous day close?
What?
Two minutes to open. They try to push the price lower.
We need it lower.
Okay, yes, background changing red. We've got the search, bearish printing. That's a big support.
Where?
We cannot pass this level. We grab bit of the Frankfurt, bit of the Sydney liquidity, and we cannot drop any lower. Okay.
And here are your stories. Back to back is back. Jerome Powell leaves the door open to consecutive rate hikes, with Christine Lagarde and Nancy Bailey also seeing more tightening as inflation remains sticky. No stress. Wall Street's top banks all pass the Fed's annual resiliency test, still a key metric for returning billions of dollars to shareholders. Plus, Asian chip makers rise after Micron Technology signals an industry glut is easy. But these measures, well, they're pretty mixed.
That's annoying because I've got like a 4 contracts open. Okay, London. What you got for us?
Let's see what happens.
This is a reminder.
Alexa, stop.
If my doctor
Hey guys,
Hello,
hear me?
hello. Yes, good morning.
Morning. How is it going so far?
We are in a short which don't want to go anywhere.
Uh,
I'm in a short on NQ and oil. Oil, I want to go long, but waiting for retracement, so I open short meantime.
I think this is last level from Adam. This 140.
Yeah,
Been pretty tough.
yeah, we got the previous day close there as well, which I would like to test it, and if we stay below it, then definitely I will get my 120 points from the trade.
Did you
But
take that huge long yesterday in New York?
yes, yes.
I managed to take it as well before I left home.
Oh, yesterday was really
Pretty.
nice day to trade, actually. Oh, it's going this time. Come on, bit more. Give me my TP, don't be like that. One
Where's that
thirty
PP?
130.75.
Mhm.
It didn't fill me yet.
Yeah, half a point is missing, right?
Done.
Oh no, I get it.
First first TP done. That's good. The next one is at 108. 15-minute WMA.
Yeah, exactly. And actually, the Spanish government has been saying that the country itself doesn't need more interest rate hikes. But that's, as you said at the opening, that the ECB looks at the eurozone as a whole. So we do have this disparity between countries huge in US dollars. And obviously, Spanish inflation is a lot lower than Germany's. We saw business
Okay,
inflation
still
still
I will leave it like
at
15.
2.5. But consumer really strikes me as something that inflation is sticky, it's still a concern. And then looking at the picture on a meeting by meeting basis, when asked, what is your term of FA3, are we expecting any further cuts in March 2024? She said no. And she said,
The oil
really
struggle is
quiet
just
on
going up and down.
FX inflation is very much not here, even if we see some
I need
softening
a
in
small
the second
drop
half
to
of this
go
next week.
higher.
It's a weak tick higher in Europe this morning, an echo of what you're suggesting, Mr.
Yeah, on the inflation, but it's interesting because one concern we had last year was that China didn't come back this time. It was linked higher inflation to inflation risk in Europe, but that hasn't happened. And China, the inflation in China is soft and softening. It gives policymakers the room to get into their toolkit and support the country. So far, hasn't happened. And you obviously face some lackluster consensus in China's economy.
I'm so glad you brought that up, Tom, because it was the one thing that people got wrong about 2015 is that realistically the Chinese economy would beat inflation. And it really hasn't been. This demand from China has been much worse than expected. We've seen that much less sustained from growth.
Okay, what are we doing with the stock?
But that's not really going to improve. We actually have a deflationary picture in China. China is exporting deflation to a
So stock
fraction of
is
the rest of the world.
actually nice setup for the short because it's
That's
at the
encouraging because
expensive,
actually
touching the
there's
expensive box,
this
and
excess of inventory that they built up during COVID
we
and
wanna
still have
go.
some today. But the fact that China's economy has become a big pool of money
They
has
cannot
actually
go
reduced
any higher,
volatility.
so
Even though
they will go probably
that's
to the
really
4 hour
positive
or
news
the
when
cheap
markets
box before they can go
yeah,
higher.
sure. Whether that's the case, it could be
Where
because
is that box? What's the number in there?
we're also not getting demand.
1 second.
So it's whether all the affected businesses they'll get
No, this is the all of the stocks, which is like
Oh,
Tesla, Apple, and
oh, I thought you were talking about XQ.
I'm just checking as well what stock doing on whole day, which is extended session. So yeah, all of them they are rejecting expensive area, which is telling us the story that they want to go lower. And NQ just touched the cheap box. That's not the best because to give me my TP, oh, they will need to go to the purple one. Okay, but that's possible.
Man.
Be patient. It's painful to watch when you are in profit and it's taking away.
my 50-minute time frame green and everything else is red. It was the same yesterday when I was checking. Only the 50-minute was different.
I don't think so. We'll go like much higher on London. We shouldn't really pass the opening range of the Sydney.
And what number is that?
55.75. 56, yeah.
At my level of 155.
So yeah, so far we trading on a bottom channel between the green fib to the middle. So for us to stay there, we shouldn't cross 50. Yes, changing green, which is not good. So far it's test, previous day close, and showing us that wanna be bullish for now.
I took long in my eval account. The TP1 got hit.
Okay, you took long the previous day high, previous day close. Sorry.
Today, 9 minutes into the European trading session, you're seeing very modest gains of a tenth of a percent across the European benchmark. The FTSE 100 though is just down by 2 points. Futures in the US, S&P EMEs are flat across the sectors. At the bottom of the list, tracking the market here in Europe down 7/10%.
When you got your TP1 filled, I then took long. It bounced.
What is moving? What's in focus for you? Absolutely morning time, so we're going to take a look at some of those stocks.
133.
A few moments ago, and they are all higher today. Renault getting that jump, getting some positive.
So yeah, it's just above the previous day close. Come on.
Yeah, I'm more risky with this eval account.
You like to take the contrarian trades.
Out of the boredom.
So today I will be a trend trader, you will be contrarian trader.
I'm waiting for a nice trend trade for my PA account.
Statexas.
So
Yes.
So far, I thinking our short is better than mat long because RSI staying on a bearish side. We just test the bullish side. They didn't want to accept it. So I thinking we will go lower.
Good. Because
Matt,
I'm still in it.
Matt, you are break
Awesome.
even.
Still a bit above it, like 3 points. Still, I mean at 133.
Okay.
So even below the Frankfurt box. But yeah, I'm looking at the dashboard and it was Like 1 minute ago, it was all bearish reversal, and now it says bullish reversal. So I'm not sure. I was looking at entering short on the PA account. Scalping line is green.
Yeah, scalping lights green after this small move. That was a bit annoying, but we're going lower.
Yeah,
Why
it
is it
feels
turning green?
Uh, because the bulls was try to manipulate, or they was just try to scare off the people from the shorts before the move happen, and my oil going as well my way, which I'm very happy with it, as I've got the 10 contracts open.
Yeah, it just touched the mentorship average, so it was less.
And Q as well, testing the 15-minute second time.
Mm-hmm.
Sector having a big boom and then a little bit of a bust. Services sector picking up and turning
Come on.
It's again at the cheap box. So let's see if it breaks inside.
It's not something that monetary policy can do very much about either. And it's a strong lagging indicator of services, for example, services prices in the U.S.
Yeah, this is what was annoying me, that we really at the cheap box and they don't want to go inside. Just go inside, don't be shy.
But these readings now are coming down as rapidly as any other period following the global shock and period of sharp monetary easing tightening. So, and I was throwing out the comment that was from officials in Central yesterday on the stickiness of core inflation and their determination to do more to get that down. Do you think, how do you look at the mismatch between the commentary from Fed officials and what we're seeing in the
One more move like that.
it would generally be a mistake if we end up
Scalping line change red.
when the lags for past monetary tightening have not been allowed to play out. Now, whether it's a big mistake or a small mistake, we'll see. Certainly now that zero policy rates were negative in the Eurozone for the period of 2022 was one of the mistakes. We had 25% money growth in the U.S. In the year 2020, and this contributed to regional inflation over this recent period. But it's not like that. Take a look at M1 in the Eurozone. Take a look at M2 in the U.S. These are negative 5% declines in broad money. It's telling us that inflation in the next 2
There you
years
go.
is going to slow rapidly.
Yeah, okay. And we had a conversation
Yep.
yesterday about whether the Fed and central banks have done enough to sort of certainly in the housing market context in the US. Let me ask you about this with clients. You travel a lot, Stephen, and I wonder what it is that clients want to talk to you about right now.
They consistently around the world, they're waiting for that one moment when all macro risk is fixed, when there's the collapse.
Does that happen?
We look at that, well, if we take a look at 2020, again, it's the most recent experience. The U.S. had negative 30% quarter.
Ay, 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 very slow today. ATR as well is quite small now.
That's the kind of decisive period where you have share prices that know they've reached the bottom and they can only go up. This is the kind of environment everyone wants, but we're not going to get. It's very unlikely that this particular economic slowdown, which is going to be probably fairly prolonged, which involves some industries contracting, others growing at the very same time, both called rolling recessions and bullish-on growth. It's not likely to give a all-clear signal where everything is over with. But importantly, some of the things that happen in recessions clearly
I was thinking about joining your short with 1 micro, but didn't do it yet.
Now is bit danger area to
Has
join
to
back
break the WMA.
around the 40. When we was at 40, 42, there was an entry for it.
Mm-hmm.
200 is red, we are below it. And just this box holding
Not in the
us.
cheap area, Matt. Not in the cheap area. Let's wait for it.
Hello, hello, DC.
Hey guys.
I'm just happy with the RSI being on a bearish side. So after
What
one,
is RSI?
it's something which I testing on Ninja Trader.
It's an indicator or
Yes, it's a real strength index.
Hmm.
Come on, Don. Tell me that you took the short at the top of the Sydney.
I just came in, so
You
I
didn't trade
didn't
tonight,
know.
so have a look
Too
that
tired.
what I done yesterday. We come to the invalidation of the short, and Sydney couldn't do anything. Retest. This was amazing entry short from
Oh, ho, ho, yes.
78.6, and TP for it it's 020. This is why I'm so bearish today morning.
Mm-hmm.
I was just hoping that you would take my trade and would be in it.
Oh, yeah.
So the actually bank stress was working nice yesterday. Okay, Star Texas another nice thing. We've got the trailing stop start printing for the bears. It's at
Awesome.
15160. So there you go. Just don't be scared if the price will go up. We can go up to like 150.
Oh my God.
150, 156. I just want the Sydney opening range to hold the price. That will be the area where I will be adding to my shorts if we'll go higher.
Hmm.
What the stock's doing? Yeah, they stalling at the expensive area. Come on, we'll go lower as well.
Since it's all red, it's still bearish, right? It's still like,
Yes, except the price. The session control is bullish and it's saying it's reversal. But I'm happier when I saw that we're printing a trail stop. There is nothing on
I
3 minutes.
Where's your trade stop?
I still got 20 points on my one. As I mentioned, I entered too late. This is why I've got bigger stop. Oh, the trading stop going into my area, so I can move my stop loss shot.
Is this idiosyncratic to Thames Water, or is this an issue that's facing the broader industry?
What we've got today morning? Why the Powell speaking so early? I don't know. It's 7:30 a.m. Here, and I've got Fletcher Powell speaking now, or was speaking an hour ago. Okay, planetary supply, that's not really like.
You said Powell was speaking right now?
An hour ago. So I don't know what time was in US, but it was 7:30 a.m. half an hour after Frankfurt opened. He was speaking. Annoying price action. Okay, so after yesterday, the VIX got up a bit. Dollar going down. Kubo. How's the placing of the orders here? It looks like we've got more sellers than buyers, which is good. Plus 19. That's really nice. Let's look better.
A lot better.
I'm out of my long. Just not nice $10.
Why is the background still green on y'all's indicator?
Because ES was green and it's not changing as fast.
Oh.
There are indicators, so they always will be lagging.
Mm-hmm.
It's changing red now, and VIX it's red, which is really good news for me. Alexa, stop.
Here is your reminder from Lukasz.
Alexa, stop.
Medication.
You see?
I'm here.
You see what I mean by RSI being on a bearish side?
Yeah, we try, but we cannot.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And 5-minute change red.
This is Markets Today, 30 minutes into the European trading day. Here are your top stories. Back to back. In fact,
Give me my second TP and I can really be very happy then.
also seeing more tightening activity.
So my stop loss is 15 points now. Still not break even.
So you're still in your short, or now you're still in your
No,
short, or you're getting out?
no, I'm still in my short and
Oh.
I want to stay in my short for a long time. I'm looking for 120 points from this
Okay.
short.
Okay. Cool.
I just
Then if
telling
you're
that
looking for 120 points,
so you will get your 100. If the price will go our way, if
yeah.
not, then we won't get it.
Where is your 120 points?
It's at 21, 15,021. 124 points exactly.
Well, see, I told you I had like an area between 15030 and 15025, which was what I was thinking to get out.
Yeah.
He said he didn't think it was going to go that far.
Ah, no, I thought then I misunderstand you.
Like I have a block right there.
Okay. So, and I've got a TP there from the swing high, swing low. So you've got quite a lot of confluence at that area. So the price should go there. We've got the yesterday London low, which was really work amazing because we tested twice and the price couldn't break it. And we had a huge move up after that. So what I will do there when we'll test that area, I will move my TP much lower and try. If we'll still be bearish, then I will trail my order. If the price will react that don't want to break that area, I'll just close it. Oil is annoying, not going anywhere.
I know, and Q is so slow.
Okay, got the contrarian candles and the price going nowhere, which is not good for our shorts. Okay. We are on a FIB as well. We are at the 50% of yesterday and today.
Where?
Just now it's a FIB line, 50% of yesterday and today. One second, I will put that on. This is Adam rolling Fibonacci. Just identical, I think so. And 50% to be. And the green ones as well. Why I cannot change the thickness of the line? Time frame too. Come on, you can go lower. Yeah, but my TP, it won't happen on this 4-hour candle.
Why are the candles white?
They're a contrarian, which is quite good actually now, because if you want to break the levels, they should be contrarian and then we can go lower. But if we cannot go lower on a contrarian candles, it means we'll start the retracement.
We just touched my 115 level.
Oh. You want to go long?
No, cannot. I'm a trend trader.
Okay.
Looks like
Maybe,
we're gonna have to wait a little bit longer, Matt, for our trade.
yeah. Maybe I could take it in this email account, but But the previous long didn't work out. At least, yeah, it was like break even or $10 profit. STP Manga did. Like these Apex deals now, when you pay like 15 or $20 for the evil account, it likes it like telling you that you can risk it basically for free.
It's giving you bad habit.
Yeah. But since Friday I am 700 up on that one. But yeah, definitely it's not building good habit with the trend trades because I'm taking more risky trades.
Yeah, it will make you wanna take every signal you.
Yeah, I did that in the past, but nowadays I'm much more yeah waiting more for it, not taking it
Yeah, yeah,
every
yeah,
now
yeah.
and then. But definitely playing based on the levels, right? But sometimes I do take contrarian trades on based on
Yeah,
the level, not waiting for the
definitely,
proper trend trade.
definitely we are short, but not here. Not here. That is the price you pay for not being at the computer early
At the right time. Okay, I'll be back in a
at the
minute. I need
right
to just
time.
feed the dog.
Yeah, and the thing was that when I was in the long on that evil account, I missed the entry for the short then on for the PA account, right?
Ah,
It
yes,
was
that
around this
sucks.
40.
That sucks.
So I should have taken short when it retraced above the mentorship average after
Yeah,
the London Open
yeah. That
42
was
and then took short. That was a great
yes,
entry.
that was a good setup. Yeah.
Okay, so at least oil going down. DC, if you want a short, it's now.
I'm
With
short from 26.
amazing 50% of the swing, and RSI was testing the area.
No, I just needed to go.
No.
Not that way.
First TP done on oil. That was nice. Almost give me my second TP.
You seeing anything changing or still a short?
I still in my one, but I'm not sure about DC, where his stop loss was.
I don't like it.
We shouldn't pass now 34 or
Frankfurt
50%
is
set.
35, so if we cannot go
Yeah,
inside, it should be good.
39 is a
I will join short if we cannot get inside Frankfurt.
Trail stop is now at 44. This is my break even.
About London, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what where I was thinking about putting my stop loss if I would join the short.
Actually, I will change my stop loss to 6 points now. Frankfurt top.
Frankfurt bottom.
What
Oh,
number is the?
Oh,
What number is that?
Frankfurt top, it's at 49.75.
also there is your stop loss
What?
now, right?
Yes, yes.
14.9. What? Wait.
15149.75.
What was the top?
This is Frank.
15.149.
Yeah. Okay. Got our trend line here, which so far they're respecting. Come on, oil, you can go lower. Okay, so trend line is respected.
Think about going short to event about this box. Like
Yeah,
they still push it
I don't
even
like it.
higher.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think they might test the London high now, but it's holding the Frankfurt low. Yeah, but we're gonna give it a few minutes. Where's your stop loss DC?
Very close.
Inside Frankfurt? Or is it
Yes,
London
yes.
50%?
Yeah, the middle of London.
The box? Yeah. London box opening range, right?
Yeah.
We've got the VWAP extension at 38.
Yeah.
And there is a Sydney Tokyo low. I'll show you at that area. That's good.
Yes, and Frankfurt.
Opening range. Almost there as
Yes.
well.
Yes.
Okay, so Paris order block is there as well. I want need to go back to 10 points, I think so. Yeah. ATR 3.5. Yes, change green again. Nikkei is red all the time. VIX is
Yes, it
red.
is.
VIX is red, and we've got the pullback on a strength indicator showing nicely. But we didn't have divergence.
You're going to Spain, DC? I think you mentioned it.
No, not to Spain, no.
No Spain? Where are you going?
Hmm?
Where are you going in the
R-
summer? Are you going to Europe or
Yes, I'm going home.
home?
Yes, finally.
Where is that? That's not a secret.
It's not a secret. Romania.
Romania. Oh, I have a coworker now from Romania. He's actually product owner in our team. Good
Nice.
guy, but he's living in UK now.
Oh, yes.
Everybody moving to UK and I looking how to run away from here.
Well, Colton is gonna move to Japan for sure.
Oh yes.
How long are you in Japan? Is it
Ah, almost 20 years already.
20 years? You went for work there?
Yes.
Went for a lot work, met the love and decide to stay.
And yes, she didn't want to follow me.
You're saying about the love, the first love, but
Yes.
you've got the second love now. DC, welcome, welcome in the club.
Yes, 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 yes.
Oh, that's funny.
Okay, so
So if I will be selling,
so
I will be looking to selling here. We touching the XVUp extension.
yes, 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 yes.
My
Oh man.
friends are the same.
Speaking of love,
Okay, you see, they listen to you.
That's good that I didn't take the shot.
But you didn't took the long at the bottom.
No, 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 no.
Okay, we
Where
touch.
are you
Is the
going?
short over or what?
No, for me not yet.
No.
I'm still happy in my short. Just testing
It
my
is
entry.
140 level again.
Yep.
So it's the New York top from Tuesday. And the search keeps going.
So what is your exit, Colton?
My exit is 10-point stop loss now, which is at VWAP and upper green fib. And that's so annoying.
Mm-hmm. Oh my God.
32. Sorry, 53, not 30. And I should go like 55, but no, I don't want to give you 2 points more. That's enough. At least I will go in the right way. Okay, Frankfurt top.
VWAP is very close.
Yeah. This is why I am so pissed off because my stop loss is at VWAP.
Uh-huh.
Oh, shit. Oh, okay. I will give it 5 points. Uh, 57, 58. Storyline. Yeah. Whoa! I've got the jet fighters flying next to the window. That's a nice area because they're doing the dogfights here.
Oh,
It's like when you watch the Top Gun, they flying around the mountains. This is what they're doing here.
okay.
But they banned them from using the sound speed because people was losing the windows.
My God.
Okay, so someone is buying NQ like crazy.
Mhm.
Not me.
Obviously, no.
Tesla, have a look that. And this what I missed. New 4-hour forecaster for Tesla, and what they done. They stay at the bottom of the expensive area, and now they're moving on a new 4-hour to the top of the expensive area. Apple drop on a new 4-hour, but Tesla is buying crazy. But still, Star Texas, I will just stay in a short because you've got amazing entry. Just stay break even.
Mm,
If they will take my stop loss now, actually I screw up because I should give it the stop loss at break even and have a better entry, or at actually I'll add one contract now.
mhm.
Is that the view up now, right?
Yeah. So spread the stop
9:32.
loss. Candles are white. We are at the view up. Pre-sell signal. It's printed. We are at the 5 minute as well. 5 minutes it's red.
DC, are we joining short here?
I'm thinking candles are contrary. I'm gonna see if we go higher.
Higher? Why? I don't want to go high. I want it to drop already. I reject the VWAP.
Ooh, that was nice short which I added.
Wait for this gap light to turn red.
This is where the first contracts will go away. And go back.
No way.
Tesla, what you doing? Yeah, that's Tesla, as you can see.
Oh, this is just gonna keep going up.
Okay, it took one of my stop loss as I spread them when I add the contracts.
Oh my god. Okay. I think this is a long already.
Okay, we are top.
We should have got in a long at
No,
514.
I am at my shorts.
You are where?
I'm still with my shorts because I add some contracts. It took the stop loss from the first contract. And I got the other which I add. Tesla, it's testing the top of the expensive area. And we are so overbought on the other side. That's good. But what they can do to go back to be bearish?
Market for the pre-market already opened for us, right? For the New York session?
Pre-market is open for the New York session.
Right? It already opened?
I don't know because the stocks on a New York session they are open at the same as
Oh my god, it's gonna hit 62.
other sessions.
Oh my god.
Isn't the pre-market 1 hour earlier?
Yeah, this is what I thought. So that the bonds opening like an hour earlier at 1:30.
Oh my god. It's gonna hit my break even. I don't have, there goes my profit, dude. Oh my god.
And this is
Yeah, it did.
what Tesla is doing.
Do you
Doesn't
really
look
see
like we
this
wanna go
dropping,
lower.
Jen?
Excuse me.
Jen? Do you really see this dropping?
I'm not telling you to move the stop loss from break even. Definitely, I won't tell you that. Always you
No, but
can
what I'm
react.
saying is, do you think that this is gonna,
Yes, I thinking this will
what
drop.
do you see on your indicator?
I see this dropping. I see us not passing the top of the Sydney.
What is Sydney?
Top of the Sydney is at
85, around it.
85. Yeah.
84.
84.5.
What?
84.5.
1.5.
1.5.
185.
Oh my God, but that's past my entry.
Yeah, this is what I'm saying. I'm not telling you to move your break even. You can always re-enter the trade.
Where's your break even?
77, but but I
67?
lost money. So I had recouped my funds, and I now
Okay,
going
Amazon,
back to
it's testing previous 4
Trader.
hour. And they look if they want to go back to the expensive area. Okay, time to draw some trend lines on RSI. Which for me, this is a stop loss hound.
HTF candles don't bring me.
I wanna enter short again. Okay. I am short again.
Ready?
Yeah. Because for me this was a stop loss hound.
Okay, but how far it will go down? I think like everything is changing to green now.
Everything is changing to green. Is that what you said?
Yep.
Oh my
My
God.
indicators. Dashboard changed to bullish.
2.
This is what I was asking for earlier. The price to go back, so I've got a better entry.
So you made it to that one.
Then I can have more than 120 points now. It'll be 140.
So where you look? Where is the TP?
TP is at 15019.
Oh, 19.
Yeah. This will be the bottom of London
15020?
yesterday. Excuse me?
15020, right?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Oh no.
It go down to Frankfurt high, and then we can take long.
Oh my god.
It keeps going up.
Now Apple joined the buying. Tesla is starting at the same level, and Apple after drop is buying. So this is how they're moving market at the Europe session with the individual stock.
These big stocks.
Yeah, but as you saw, when Apple was dropping a little bit, Tesla was buying heavily. Tesla is stalling, Apple start buying.
Mm-hmm.
And Amazon it's like stalling here for a bit. So far you got the nicest move on Tesla. This was pushing the price up. Okay, Google is
This is 1
dropping.
minute?
Excuse me?
1 minute chart? 1 minute chart? You have there?
This is
For the stocks?
this is for the stocks, but I open it on the extended trading hours.
Yeah, I was asking about if it's 1 minute chart.
Yeah, it's a 1 minute chart.
Yeah.
You won't see a lot of movement on a stock here on a 1 minute on the extended time, but I see what's happening with the price around the boxes, so this is why using
Mm-hmm.
1 minute for that. And for my shot will be the best if Tesla will do the same, that not accept the price at the top of the expensive. They couldn't accept the bottom of the expensive there. Only on a new box they gone up.
Mhm.
Well, Google is dropping nicely, and why nobody joining them?
to Sydney box stop. Good place for a short.
Okay, oil is still good for the short, don't touch it then. Yep. So at least I've got a better entry.
What? Huh? Oh, you have a better entry. Okay.
For short, yeah. Let's see. I haven't taken it. Too much green on my screen.
And drop out of the big one.
Yeah, scalping line when tried beginning, this was nice enter for the long. Mm, 40 points.
Not happening.
Three candles click off and a green candles it's still buying.
The big candle. Oh my god. Mm.
Okay, compact drawings. Okay, so my stop loss is positioned well. We are in a golden zone for the shorts. Invalidation is at 170.
What?
And TP for that swing is at 110. Okay. That's not good.
It's not good.
No, because the oil going against me now as well. With the NQ, I'm less worried. Okay. We're testing if we will stay bullish or bearish. On a smaller time frame, on a higher one, we are bullish now.
You're what?
Oh, I'm saying that just on a smaller time frame, we're testing if we stay bullish or bearish, but higher time frame, we move to the bullish. And I wanna see.
Oh my god.
Come on, you can do it now.
On job. Oh my god.
Definitely, we should go at least up to 100.
Huh?
I was checking even the higher time frame, and we should go up to 100 minimum. 1500. View up, it's red all the time.
I mean, we needed to break the VWAP. It needs to go through past that, like, think on. Come on, come on, come on.
Okay, look like I'm out from the oil. Yep.
What happened? What do you
Uh,
see? Because I don't understand anything on that screen.
VIX it's stalling. Price it's was going up and VIX didn't do anything. So yeah, at least I am happy because yeah, really I got a better entry.
Looks like the trailing stop is printing for short on my chart.
Yeah, Tesla didn't accept the price to go higher.
Mm-mm. Thirty, 230.
Okay, just try to do a contrarian trade on oil. Touching my resistance.
Drop, drop.
Stop losing at 60. Oh, that's the biggest 15-minute candle on oil I saw from the long time.
Don't want to break this VWAP. What is your indicators telling you?
Now that the long is good.
Oh, okay.
200 is green, candles are green, scalping line it's green. It was really nice move up and it's green all the time. But the areas and everything telling me to stay in my short.
Or what? Show me.
No, it's like as I explained to you earlier. I will show you now. Because we couldn't break that level, and this is my fib. It's showing invalidation for the short. The golden zone was here. We go back to golden zone. Sorry, we gone up to the invalidation. Come back to golden zone. Go lower, 50%, and go lower. The TP for that fib is here. So till the bulls will not break 184, I will be bearish. If we break 184, then yeah. Okay, add to my shorts on oil.
Oh my god.
I need to remove one. Which one? It's too many.
Break the VWAP. Break it. Just run through it.
Sell signal. That's nice. Scalping line change red. We've got a bearish divergent. Just go lower now.
I'm gonna demo. Just because y'all said y'all had a indicator pop up. So I just did a practice on the demo.
Okay, that's a good idea.
It's just to see what it does. Just to test your thing. And I'm back 20 points. 57 is where it went in. 50, 77 is where I'm gonna put the stop. Wrong one. Okay, that's in practice mode. But my real account, if it could just drop.
It'll help you. That's nice.
We need to break all these WMAs again.
Mm-hmm. But always is faster get down than up.
Sometimes.
Right, guys, enjoy the shorts. I'm just gonna be watching. Going to have a bunch of meetings. Probably fly on in New York.
Okay.
All right. Thanks for the session. Talk soon. Bye bye.
See ya.
Colton, can you stay on longer today?
Yeah, I'm not doing anything now, so I will stay probably another.
Just to get off, when we get off the, just to, you know, get out of the trade together.
Leave this area. I will stay for another hour at least. I don't think I will stay longer because I want to do a few things at home later. But I hope so. In an hour, if we
Okay.
cannot break the London loaded, it will suck. 11 o'clock. Yeah. There was something
I mean, because
happening.
this has moved very slow.
Okay, 9:30 when the move started. Policy was better for UK. Today we got unemployment claims and GDP.
No way.
Yeah.
For United States?
Yes.
For who? Oh man.
So price
I'm gonna
probably will
make it.
be quite slow.
Think?
9:30. Okay.
And as long as if we can just get to the 15019, like in an hour, I'll get out. I won't even leave a runner. Oh my god.
200. But the candles click off. And view is all the time red. It's not changing. But they're pushing the price higher because of the GDP later, and they don't wanna go as low. Don't know. Oscillator telling us to go short, and yeah, the line actually changed for purple, so nice entry short was at 55 with the rule which I was posting earlier. When you've got the bearish divergent, we're waiting for the line to change from green to purple or red.
Waiting for those candles to change. What purple and red?
No, here, what has happened? We've got the bearish divergent when the bulls was pushing the price there, and we had like oscillator was the Stang oscillator was showing us green, a bit of purple, green, 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 and then here we change purple again. So this is your entry for short. From my point of view, for this to be valid, we shouldn't go with the price above like 10 points above that, and yeah, I want to see what will happen.
We just went above the
Okay,
VWAP again.
10 points, it's a new high. So if we cannot make a new high, then I'm good with the short. No, but this is like very annoying, as most of the time you've got the Sydney, Frankfurt taking liquidity, London going lower, and we should drop. So far, we are at the top of the opening range of Sydney, and yeah, and the price is doing whatever I want to do.
Not doing what you're saying it should do.
Yeah, what I want to do, but always they will do what they want. This will be my last trade for the morning. It will take my stop loss. I'm not touching this till New York. So we got beautiful rejection on a 15-minute.
What's the stop loss on that sell that it popped up? What's that I mean, where do y'all usually put the sell at? I mean, the stop that sell that popped up.
The sell which is there, As well, the stop you will have 10 points. I'm trying to stick with my stop loss between 10 and 12 points.
Goodness.
How's the other markets? Ooh, RTY, yes. Everything is very bullish. Change bullish
Oh my
there.
God. It doesn't look like it's dropping anymore.
Okay, yes, not accepting the price, touching the trailing stop.
One minute and the 5 minute are really close. They're about a point apart.
Mm.
They were 2 points apart, about 3 points apart.
One is green, five is red. There is no volume at all. This is what's going
There's
on.
no volume.
Yeah, because the volume candles are like nothing. And I've got very small 180 volume candles. To print it, usually taking few seconds, 30 seconds. And okay, if you'll go to 140, this is 50% of retracement, and stay below that, that would be amazing.
Well, if it could just get to back to 15114, that'd be great. Or at least to 15137.
The 137, yeah, that's a possible because we got 61% on the 133. And not 50% is at 139 of that swing. So definitely I will be seeing them going back there.
Come on. Come on. Past the WMA 39 and 48.
is not collaborating today. Mhm.
Oh, there. That VWAP, it's like,
Yeah, and it shouldn't because it's red all the time. Hmm. Okay, we're going towards the expensive box and nothing happened there. So yeah, this buying was again from a Tesla because Microsoft is selling and the other market stalling.
okay, now they're both at 49. 49.50 and 49.15 for the WMAs. 9 and 5. We could just rush through that.
But there was nice buy actually at
Huh?
30. There was nice buy at 33. Very easy one. I should open them on different account just for a scalp trade. Okay, go lower this time.
Oh, 49. Past 49. And stay under 49. And you can do it. Push.
Trying 200 moving average, it's there, which we couldn't break earlier. 1 minute WMA is at the same level as 200. Okay, we're breaking 200.
I don't have 200 on my screen, but okay, cool. We need to break 149 for the WMA, the 1 and the 5. Is the 200 also 149 or what?
200, yeah. 150.
Oh my god.
Scalping line is red.
What?
Scalping line is red, which is good. And we got a really nice bearish divergence, so. And previous 4-hour close. This is what we're touching, and don't want to go below of that.
Oh no.
I just had to sell on my oil because we are at very expensive box.
Man.
but it's on oil, and NQ I don't know what it will do.
It's starting to get wild. It's not moving slow anymore, and it's jumping.
What do you wanna do? Alexa, play Bloomberg.
Launching
What
Bloomberg
they call it?
Lead, the United States biggest bank, and
What do you call it?
Bloomberg.
Bloom,
Bloomberg.
bloom bug,
I will
bloom
send
bug, like a bug.
Bloomberg.
Okay,
Okay, one
so I can
second.
start listening because come on, just drop.
signaling that the industry oversupply is starting to ease. Let's get now to Bloomberg Quick Takes Alex Webb. Setting the inventory aside for a moment, is this all clear? Not just for Micron, but for some of the greater supply industry issues for this industry.
Mhm.
It's sort of easy way.
They're really fighting
The
here.
market was expecting
WMA went up to 150 and 149.
fourth quarter sales are like to be above that.
Nice oil rejected area.
Even as Micron faces
That will be amazing.
a victim of the contretemps between China and the US over semiconductors. And because the supply of memory chips is highly commoditized, there are lots of companies who are able to do this. Three big players, of which they're one. That means it's been quite easy for China.
So where did you re-enter?
You've got to remember Micron, which is
Short on NQ, I re-enter at 59.
June.
So I am break even, little bit of minus, little bit on plus.
Right, right. But it's fallen 44%. They've been trying
Well,
that the boom and bust cycle in chips was over. This is clearly not the case, particularly in memory chips.
Yes. Well, let's bring the China piece back into the equation here, Alex. I think when the sanctions or blacklisting headlines first initially hit, a lot of analysts had written that off as saying, well, it only makes up about 10% of Micron's revenue. How big of a deal could this be for a company that still is kind of investing and expanding in that country?
I'm back.
You're back.
I missed. Oh, I missed the entry for the long.
Now is entry for the short.
Yes, it is.
We can enter now, 20 point stop lost at 84. Oh, like 86.
Yeah.
Okay, dollar start. One second, that's a dollar or the other one? Yeah, that's a dollar, so we should go lower now. But dollar catch so nice the was long of the time. It's a yen. Very small surge.
what did you say about the dollar? The dollar's going up?
Yes, so I would like to see this sell, and actually on this and on oil as well.
What about the VIX?
The VIX is going down. That's not good because background changed green.
Yeah, it's not.
The, but VIX is not moving anywhere yet, so that's okay.
I'm not playing in this area. It's the POC right here. Matt left.
Yeah, yeah.
He got anything?
Nope.
Okay.
Very annoying price action. It's really like dragging the life out of you.
$149, 151,
69.90, this is what I out the last.
52. Come on. Again.
RSI try to stay on bullish side.
This is Bloomberg Surveillance Early Edition. I'm Frida Gupta in New York with Danny Berger in London. Look, a lot of the commentary you're seeing in the bond market is really on the heels of what you heard in central Portugal, where all of the central bankers, the major ones at least, really talked about this hawkish rhetoric. We kind of knew that. We knew that they were going to stick to that tone, but they did it to varying degrees. I think something that really stood out for me in that panel was Chairman Powell saying, look, the progress that's been made in the labor market is encouraging, something that has been noticeably sticky in the last year or so. And I want to kind of throw our TV and radio audience put that into a little bit of perspective. Initial jobless claims, we are due that data in just a few hours. Look, it's been ticking higher for the last couple of weeks. That is positive news from a economic perspective, simply because the Federal Reserve needs that softening in the labor market. Now, look, it's only been a few weeks. So you are seeing this kind of increase in those claims, at least when it comes to the 4-week moving average. But will it stick? And that's going to be a major question. At the same time, you're seeing the same labor issues become something to worry about in the ECB, the BOE, etc. I want to bring in a true expert, grant a little bit more analysis. Bloomberg Markets Live editor Noor Al Ali joins us. Noor, how much can we read into this kind of labor market softness progress, for lack of a better term?
Oh, look, I mean, you're absolutely correct. The Fed does have this new organization. It's got a lot on its plate. But, as well as that jobless claims or jobless data shows a tick higher, which is what the Fed has been wanting to see. But also you see that, labor costs and productivity, labor costs going higher, productivity going lower. And that's an issue, of course, on the long run because you still have inflation still ticking much higher than the Fed likes to see. And, we had Powell come out earlier today doubling down on comments that he's given a couple of weeks ago. And he said we might see, one or two more hikes this year. And I'm not discounting that at all. I think we're definitely in a zone where we still need to see more affirmative action from the central bank's perspective. And that's what treasuries are telling you, particularly on the short end of the scale.
Nor, I mean, it was really remarkable to see this hawkish choir yesterday on that panel, except for Rueda. I mean, how much of the story of the rest of 2023 is going to be about central bank divergence rather than cohesion about moving higher?
That's absolutely spot on, Danny. And I just want to note, I loved watching it. You know, I was away from my desk, but I had to run back when I saw people saying, oh, it's hilarious. I was like, wait, hold on, monetary policy, hilarious? I remember math while studying this stuff. So it's really nice to see a bit of an ease into these very difficult conversations that we're having, particularly with the Japanese yen here, the Bank of Japan, and the PBOC. We're definitely seeing that diverging theme really play out between the Western developed central banks and their Asian counterparts. You know, PBOC really coming in, stepping in higher and fixing for the yuan rate. They're really trying to prop up the currency. You know, we have the finance minister come out earlier
DC?
Japan.
Today's
Yes.
right?
Today is Thursday, yes. DC, is it possible on NTA to add the... When I draw the line and I wanna add the... What's the name of it? So it's telling me that we're crossing that line or anything like that. I cannot find it. It's data, 1 second.
Right click on the line and choose alerts.
But I cannot see. Ah, yes. That's amazing. Okay. Okay. But it's not letting me to choose any alert.
I will show you how.
You wanna share the screen or send me the...
I will send a picture.
Okay, thank you.
Anything different on your indicator?
No, we're installing the building orders. POC is here. Actually, nice things is showing that the bears building orders here.
I think so too.
Come on, you ready for it?
On 49. Go, go. Pass. 52. That's 52. This one candle.
This is Bloomberg Surveillance Early Edition. I'm Danny Berger in London, in New York. Now, the ECB forum wrapped up with a panel
Yes.
of four major central banks. And if I were to tell you that the one that got the most laughs out of all of them was BOJ Governor Pazio,
And NQ at the same time.
that's what happened. Take a look.
I didn't know that there was going to be so much traveling and so many press conferences. Again, for being influenced by many factors, other than our monetary policy, including the policies of
Okay, ES background change it green.
we haven't had any
Mm.
serious monetary tightening for 3 years. So if it is bad, the last year's monetary policy is at least as bad as I can imagine.
Or if anyone that takes a dig at the idea of long and very relaxed, it's so silly, but that is so funny for a central banker. It doesn't take way too long. I must say, I think the highlight of that moment was just how much of a laugh it got out of Christine.
Oh my God, it's 52.
Literally almost, I feel like 2 minutes later we're giving it a minute.
It won't happen immediately, like straight away. We are on a POC and building orders. There is no huge.
Yeah, and of course, Anita's a guy, like, he's been an academic for a long time. He was at the BOJ a long time ago. Kind of the idea that he first started joking there, getting back into the circuit. I mean, you can see why he might be a little bit shell shocked about that one. All right, pretty, from the macro
Yesterday
to some more of the
was a
micro
lot of
stuff,
bulls
maybe
here.
some of the top European corporate news. Siemens Energy's wind turbine concerns are growing. Now, executives at the firm are worried that fixing the issue may far exceed the previous estimate of 1 billion euros. That's according to Bloomberg sources. And pretty in reaction to this, because of course we learned about the $1 billion issue last week, is now they're starting to reduce their exposure to the Mesa, which is the wind turbine unit.
That
So
was
they're trying to
beautiful.
fix it,
Troy
but
rejection
Siemens
from
Energy
that
shares, they
area.
are down today, pretty excitedly. Yeah, that 1 billion or 1 billion euro story is pretty fascinating, especially when it comes to the idea that, I mean, you said this before, it was already reported, but this is going to be a longer term fix. I mean, the size of some of these wind turbines, just to really water it down and simplify, to have this fix in all of them is a real undertaking. And not only will it cost money, it'll cost time as well, which is never positive from the investor standpoint. Today really feels like a day where we're just examining European utilities. You pointed out the excellent lead into the story for Bloomberg that essentially it's because these things are shaking. They're not supposed to be shaking, they're supposed to be turning. And pretty, of course, later in the show, you and I are also going to be discussing the drama at Thames Water. There are issues there. It long stems from all the debt they have piled up. Politicians are reportedly discussing now nationalizing it. But pretty, given everything that's happened with the war, I mean, infrastructure in Europe is at still a crucial moment, right? That infrastructure spend is tracking along with that fiscal budgets that are really stretched from France and the periphery as well. So we're all are paying for a lot of these countries that are really looking to project into the future with their energy. Yeah, exactly. I mean, look, it's a headache, and we're going to get through it. All right, coming up on the show, we're going to turn our focus back to central bank policy paths, rather. We're going to be speaking with TD Bank's business.
NQ just stay below.
You short again?
I'm still in the short. I enter at
Ah,
I re-enter at 59. 1 second. Yeah, 58.25. But it was look like a nice entry and it wasn't because we're stalling here, so it's giving me few points, taking away, taking away.
Why is it printing red over there in your indicator?
Because ES is
Is that
going
a good
down.
sign for this or not?
Yes, because this means the ES is going lower. It's dropping. So far, yeah, the ES didn't accept the high. I don't want a price to stall here till like 1:30 when an hour before they will tell us the news.
Hmm.
That will be the most annoying. Come on, Anki, let's do something. I missed such a nice long because I was shot bias and I was telling myself that we can retrace.
Mm.
Instead of use this retracement to
Yes,
get some points, I
yes, you
was,
know what? As soon as we passed over the Frankfurt, we should have gone long.
yeah, close it when we reach the top and then open the shorts.
Or it was when you left Frankfurt or when you got in the box?
As we left the Frankfurt.
That's when you would have taken along?
Yeah, we
I
should.
would, yes.
Yeah, it was a
We
nice
should have, yes.
trend trade.
What number was that?
Top of Frankfurt was at 49.75. But for me, it was
Oh, okay.
only the long for the scalp trade. Still, I will think about my short, but at least I will take some points. I took one TP from the open, and the best thing is the second TP was like 1 point away. That's so annoying.
Mm-hmm. Very much so. Oh my goodness.
You are so impatient today.
Every
Very,
day.
because we lost, yeah, it's every day. We just lost so many points.
Yeah.
114 all the way up. What, 40 points approximately? Oh my God.
Okay, we testing the bearish side or RSI now. I would like to stay here.
say that resilient economies are keeping inflation too high and more monetary tightening will be needed. Christine Lagarde, Jerome Powell, Andrew Bailey, and Kaiser Lueda spoke at the ECB Forum in central Portugal yesterday.
We still have ground to cover, although policy is restrictive. It may not be restrictive enough, and it has not been restrictive for long enough.
We are data dependent. We will decide using evidence basis.
We will be evidence-driven, so we will work to the next set of evidence for our next meeting.
Underlying inflation is still a bit lower than 2%. That's why we are taking policy unchanged at the moment. If our baseline stands, then we also know that we will very likely hike again in July.
We're going to move the decisions a little bit, make them a little bit more time in between them. And we'll do what is necessary. I wouldn't take moving to consecutive meetings off the table at all.
So the start there of monetary policy. Let's get to the start of rate strategy. It's Pooja Kumra, Senior European Rate Strategist at TD Bank. Pooja, thanks so much for joining this morning. All right, so perhaps it wasn't surprising we saw some hawkish language from those central bankers, but they did step it up. Maybe what was surprising is what rates did yesterday. Yields fell. We were buying the front end again as Bailey, Lagarde, and Powell all said they were going to be more hawkish. What do you think of that price action?
So yes, rates never make sense. That we figured, but I think yesterday a couple of things that I said was first of all we do need to be more cautious ahead of month end as well as quarter end. The moves can be exaggerated for no particular reason. I think what really rallies also moved in yields. I think markets were expecting much more hawkish moves from Bailey as well as Fed. Again, we got no insight into how they were thinking, and that's why if you see on a cross-market basis, yields will perform the best. And I think generally the rhetoric was hawkish, but I think yesterday markets thought it was
Enough again.
and I think where we are trading right now.
Yeah, if you will take my stop loss now, I'm not touching it. I'm even not taking any long.
At this stage, we need to accept that most central banks need to sound hawkish primarily because they don't want markets to price in cuts. They all mentioned yesterday that they don't expect inflation to be at a 2% target this year.
Oh my God. That's it. This is not going down.
Stubborn price action.
Why people don't improve. And that's where heading into the July meeting, we don't think that the Fed will have much more evidence. The first thing will be tomorrow's meeting data, which is likely to see further slowdown because CPI is getting up to 0.4% and expected to come in 0.3%. And similarly, we will see another slowdown in July CPI report as well as the physical employment. So I think the basis right now, if Fed just wants to be hawkish and high, that's perfect. But I don't think the data is any different or stronger than what they had in June. I think the turning point for markets will definitely be going into the Jackson Hole in August. I think that's where most central banks will try to cause more direction. Because whatever they said, if they want more evidence of slowdown, I doubt they will get that in the next week. Become too choppy, which means that the rates will be illogical.
Abuja, in terms of kind of rates being illogical, it feels like sentiment right now, especially around the ECBs, that they're all in the same page. Big markets for longer, higher rates for longer, but they're kind of asking almost a desperate question. At what point do they start to diverge, and when does that become a problem? Although I feel like from a trading perspective, I might be an interest rate strategy trade, a very easy trade to make, but from a market perspective, when should we be concerned about it?
So first thing is I think divergence will happen. I'm not hoping for, but if you do see certain stocks like for example SVB prices or maybe private fintech prices actually soft, which shows that they think that we have aged really well. I think we could see more divergence, particularly if we do see more market slowdown, especially in Europe. The PMI services have started to slow down pretty aggressively. We have also seen core inflation in Europe, the headline inflation is actually working out what ECB wants. So I think that's why we could see a little more divergence setting in. But I think in the next 3 months, it's hard to see the general rhetoric changing from any central bank. And I think one thing that was interesting today is that all central banks do talk a lot. They do discuss moving forward.
Tesla still pushing the price, and Google start buying. But Tesla is on in the middle of the way to that very expensive area, so don't have a huge hopes for the price to go very high.
Well, I think they do have to stay back as per their forecast. It's not a timeline that it works, but I think they're still trying to stick to the 2% level. I think they need to show that they need to tell markets that when it comes to their rate expectation, they should keep in mind that the 2% is still their target. But the fact that they are not reaching 2% by 2025
Oh my God.
also means that they continue to sound hawkish irrespective of this. I mean, they did have a further buyback
Okay.
and that's where I think the move that
There
Well,
goes off profit.
we did build orders.
Mm.
Hmm?
They built bullish orders. I was on a POC building orders, and look
Yeah.
like that they built bullish orders. Because Delta was yellow there and changed for blue now.
So where's your stop?
1 point away. My stop is at 70.
Huh?
My stop
70?
70.25.
Hmm.
So they wanna move, they wanna increase the rates again next month. Motherfuckers.
It's definitely too late to get into a long.
Yeah.
My God. I already forgot.
I'm out. And
Just got out because
as I said, I don't
and
touch
I
it.
that there goes y'all's test thing as well. Y'all's called short lost the trade.
We just touched 12-hour POC, and can we pass it? Can I really say that I don't touch it, or if I will see that the price rejected here,
Touch it.
I will touch it and go short again. I'm so tempted, and actually enter now. It allowed me for a smaller stop loss. I am 10 points from the top of the Sydney, so if I put 12 points, that will be amazing. Ah,
You can wait for top of Sydney to be retested and then play the rejection at
I know.
84.
This what I thinking. This what I thinking. The oil still is in a short and so far it's good.
So what would you do?
I'll wait another 2-3 candles and see if we can go higher to the top of the Sydney. The candles are white now. If we go higher, that's perfect. If we cannot go
Oh,
higher, actually, this is, I will open one contract here, only
you mean
one,
180?
And then add.
and then
Where?
add
Right
at the
here?
top. Yeah, I just done one contract short. At least I've got the one contract for looking for a lot of points from it, and the worst case scenario, I will add at the top of the Sydney another three.
Mhm.
And the same way, if I will see that we're dropping from here, I will wait
Mhm.
for some small retracement to add it up, uh, and that's it. It's definitely too late to buy here.
Yeah.
Buy? Sell.
Yeah, to buy. I just sold one contract.
We have 15 minutes until next 4-hour candle, so let's see. Now we are in the expensive area, yes, so you cannot buy here.
You mean like to go long?
Yes, but the same was like when we was on the previous 4 hour with the shorts.
Hmm.
We was in a cheap
Yes, that's
area.
true.
We didn't want to sell, and we go the other way. So this what I hoping that they will reverse here. My stop is 12.5 points. So yeah, stocks move higher before an open. Carnival was 8%. Norwegian Cruise 7. Netflix 3. Bloody hell. And Nvidia is dropping. Let's see how much. Oil, yes, go there.
Do you think it's gonna go all the way to the high at 151.84?
The top of Sydney, which is yeah 184 one. There, if we cannot cross that, then definitely I will add three contracts there.
Is that the top of the box or no? That's just the high of the line, right?
Yes,
Because the
this is
top
the
of the box wasn't that 15180?
but this is top of the New York
Session.
session, and 84 it's top of Sydney. Sell chart. $82.
I will stay with you guys to see what happens at 84 and then I'm gonna leave it alone.
Man, it's almost 11. I'm supposed to be doing something else, but we'll wait a bit and then see.
You're still green for the day, right, Koltun?
Yeah. The oil make me
So if it
really.
doesn't,
Nice.
The oil make me green, and I've got another short on oil from almost the top. Waiting for it to
so if
drop.
it doesn't pass 84.75, that's why you're taking a short?
Yes,
Do you
because
see?
I've got invalidation. This was the invalidation for my shorts. So if we cannot pass that level, it will be staying there. I need to pick up the phone. I'll be back in a sec. Hi, babe. Hello.
Do you see it passing that 184.75?
I see it wants to test it.
Two, two, two.
certainly some movement we're going to be watching in the next, I would say, 12 hours or so. But let's stick with the earnings story, Danny, and talk about Micron here, because that seems to be the big mover this morning, especially after they come out and delivered a pretty strong forecast. Turns out that glut that we were worried about may not be as big of a problem, higher by 3.6% on those shares. The ticker there is MU. What's interesting to me, though, is that even with all the China pushback, they're still expecting to really outperform. Yeah, maybe just a lot of that China stuff is priced in because they are losing a lot from China from being unable to sell to them. But that glut in supply chains, it really is that pandemic bullwhip. It's just another example of some of that is finally easing. You know, we have some of the inflation figures coming down and supply chains coming back to life. It's great news. Yeah, it's positive, especially if you view them as that kind of economic bellwether. And it's going to be kind of a similar story when you look at the banks, for example, which again are also higher in the pre-market. This, of course, coming off the stress test. It looks like they passed with flying colors and in a move that they're potentially able to return some shareholder value. The underperformer here, though, is Citi shares. The ticker is just the letter C, down about 0.5%. But if you look at some of the kind of the more regionally exposed banks, Bank of America, Wells Fargo, they're outperforming by 1% higher. So some good news, Danny, when it comes to
They're stalling at the same level.
in terms of these banks actually returning shareholder capital, it's not
Yesterday was such a nice trading day because price was doing something, and now really they just messing around.
They're pissing you off.